everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the National Flag of Ecuador. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. The flag consists of a horizontal tricolor of yellow, blue, and red. The yellow stripe is half of the flag's width, while the blue and red stripes each make up 1/4 of the width. The flag is charged with the national coat of arms of Ecuador. The coat of arms is detailed and complicated and is therefore very difficult to draw from memory. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. Ecuador was once part of a state known as Gran Colombia, which also comprised of several other modern-day South American countries. The flag of Gran Colombia was based on the design of Francisco de Miranda, a Venezuelan military leader who played a large role in the process of independence for a number of South American countries. Letters written by Miranda reveal he wanted to use primary colors after German philosopher Wolfgang von Goethe told Miranda it was his destiny to create a land where primary colors would not be distorted. When Ecuador gained independence, it kept the Miranda design and also added the country's coat of arms. No official symbolism for the colors exists, and some have applied their own interpretations. The most common idea is that yellow stands for the fertility of the crops, blue stands for the sea and sky, while the red stands for the bloodshed of the people who fought for independence. While the symbolism of the stripes is not clear, the symbolism of the coat of arms is well defined. Inside the oval shield, there's a depiction of the volcano Chimborazo, while the river is the Guayas River. The steamboat was an actual steamboat, which was also called the Guayas, and was built in 1841. Towards the top of the oval, there's a representation of the sun god Inti. At either side are the astronomical signs for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer, representing the months March to July to symbolize the duration of the March Revolution of 1845. The bird on top of the shield is a condor, and it symbolizes the power, greatness, and strength of Ecuador. The laurel on the left represents the victories of the Republic. The palm leaf on the right side is a symbol of the martyrs of the fight for independence and liberty. The fasces below the shield represents the Republican dignity. To sum up, the symbolism of the stripes is not officially defined, though we do know how the colors originated. The coat of arms has a lot of good symbolism crammed in. For this principle, the flag gets 6 out of 10. The flag has 3 main colors, but because of the coat of arms, the total number of colors is 8. That's 5 more than the recommended maximum of 3. The colors are yellow, blue, red, green, gray, brown, white, and black. Some of these colors have different shades. All 6 colors of the standard set can be seen on the flag. With contrast, there's an issue with the blue and red stripes. There are also numerous contrast issues within the coat of arms. Overall for color, the flag gets 0 out of 10. The flag bears the national coat of arms of Ecuador. The coat of arms is highly complicated. For this principle, the flag scores 0 out of 10. As previously mentioned, the flag is based on that of Gran Colombia. The countries of Colombia and Venezuela also formed part of Gran Colombia, and these countries also use the Gran Colombia flag as the basis for their flags. Colombia's flag is a plain horizontal triband whose stripes are in the same proportion as Ecuador. The stripes in Venezuela's flag are of equal width, and their flag is charged with 8 stars in a semicircular formation. When it comes to judging similar flags, We only punish newer flags that copy the older flag. Though all the flags are based on that of Gran Colombia, the flag of Gran Colombia itself was based off that of Miranda's flag for the Republic of Venezuela, which predates the formation of Gran Colombia. While the Republic of Venezuela ended in failure, their flag lived on. For this reason, we believe that Venezuela has the right to claim that the colors are original to them. What this means is that the flag of Ecuador will lose marks for this principle because it was adopted after the flag of the original nation of Venezuela. Even though Ecuador's flag is charged with the national coat of arms, this is not enough to avoid confusion among these flags. It's also worth noting that many Ecuadorian flags flown in the country do not have the coat of arms, and these flags are therefore identical to the Colombian flag. While it's nice to have similarities with neighboring countries with a shared history, we believe the flags are not distinctive enough. For this principle, the flag scores 3.5 out of 10. So now we've reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So, for the National Flag of Ecuador, we get a final score of 1.9 out of 10.